are welcome in lecture series. Today I am giving you account of some of the vermicide, killing worms, internal parasites in this lecture series of the dairy school by me. You see, the broad spectrum, these dewormers are available. The one is fomepizole and other is albendazole. They take care of all of the worms, and the albendazole is given in the dose rate of 10 mg per kg, and fomepizole is giving in the dose rate of 5 mg per kg. Now, with the albendazole, the difficulty is that there is abortion in the early pregnancy, which is not the case with the fomepizole. Now, there is for liver worms in particular, there is one more, this chloride. In this there is the oxychloroquine, which is specially used for the liver worms. This can be given in pregnancy, and this has got a levamisole also. Levamisole is the dewormer for roundworms, and fantastic thing about this levamisole is that it boosts up immunity. This boosts up immunity. So, before rains and after rains, you can use it in marshy land or in the hot and humid. You may use it many times. If there is a diarrhea, if there is a weakness, and if there is anemia. By the way, I may also tell you that these all worms cause anemia, and for anemia, you have to have the use of the B12 for formation of RBC. But for B12 formation of RBC, iron is also very much required. So, RBC, this for formation of RBC, if you will not substitute iron in the form of charcoferol or say hemop, then it won't work. So, please take care that you are giving dewormer plus the iron source and plus the B12. The external parasites also causes lot of problem in these animals, and ivermectin is one. This is for external parasite, but this is not used in the lactating animal because it comes in milk, and then it causes harm in the human beings. So, for the control of these external parasites in the dairy, cypermethrin, this is cythrine. The cypermethrin is there. It is available in the form of the butox, and then this will kill the external parasite in the dairy shed. So, I have told you about the killing of the external parasite on animals by ivermectin, and killing in the shed by the cypermethrin. Its dose you can see from the label provided with this thing. And there are many for external parasites, the porons are coming. One is being supplied recently by the MSD. So, you can hunt for these poron sort of thing where you will pour it on the dorsal line of animal, and you will get rid of the external parasite. So, this is all about the control of the internal and external parasite. Thank you very much for listening. My telephone number 8979748686.